This morning, we are taking a closer look at the new inflation report that was just released yesterday.
We reached out to experts to find out what this means for your budget and what the next few months could look like. They spoke with ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott, who's been digging into that report. Good morning, Larissa.
Hi, good morning, Dia and Andrew. And this new report came with some good news for inflation. Now, experts are waiting to see how long it'll last. The Consumer Price Index measures price changes across commonly purchased goods and services. The report was just released for February's numbers, which showed an inflation cooldown at 2.8% compared to 3% the month prior.
The inflation numbers actually came back pretty good this month. So this probably means that the Federal Reserve is going to hold interest rates steady next month.
That's Thomas Stockwell, assistant professor of economics at the University of Tampa. He and other experts say inflation eased a little more than they expected. USF instructor of economics Michael Snipes agrees.
I mean, it's definitely good news.
That decrease was fueled by steadying grocery prices and lower gas prices, but many economists remain cautious and believe we'll continue to see things ebb and flow as is normal in the transition period with a new president.
It's kind of a wait and see thing.
Experts expect to see inflation go up again in next month's CPI report, with President Donald Trump's promise of more tariffs and the potential for trade wars.
There's still just so much policy uncertainty, unfortunately, that it's really hard to gauge exactly what's going to happen. So what's going to happen with the tariffs? Are they going to remain permanent? Are they going to go up?
Stockwell thinks that uncertainty surrounding tariffs will impact the markets.
Uncertainty is bad for markets. It's bad for growth. It's just bad for the economy in general.
Many experts are predicting tariffs will raise the costs of most goods in the months ahead.
The inflation numbers are, mean prices are still going up. So if you couldn't afford things last month, you're still not going to be able to afford things this month. And tariffs are just going to add to that inflationary pressure.
It's still really too early to kind of get any kind of long-term predictions as to what exactly this might mean.
And we've been reporting that the Trump administration has said any inflation increases caused by those tariffs will be temporary. Economists now watching to see what happens next. That next inflation report should be out in April. I'm live in Tampa this morning. Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.